Why does U of I need a biodiesel campus? One of the University of Idaho's goals is to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. It's time to start making progress toward that goal, and we can do that with biodiesel. Biodiesel is a renewable fuel made right here on campus from waste cooking oil gathered at the Sodexo kitchens. Biodiesel cuts down greenhouse gas emissions nearly 80% compared to diesel fuel and provides cleaner air. It's also non-toxic and doesn't put out the unbearable black smoke that older diesel engines expel. Biodiesel makes a campus that's more breathable for everyone. However, we only use biodiesel in a few vehicles on university grounds. It's time we extended sustainable fuel to all campus diesel engines. We have the resources. We can make the switch to a biodiesel blend. If you're interested in a cleaner campus, please take a minute to sign our petition here. A campus biodiesel blend helps us, and the planet, breathe a little easier.